Hi, my name is Kate. I am the editor of Knit Now magazine, and I've just popped into the studio today to show you a little something special. This is our brand new knit along for 2019. It's called the Reflection Blanket and it is designed by Louise Tilbrook. The blanket itself is here, and this is the yarn you will need to knit the blanket. The great news is that you can get this for free when you subscribe to Knit Now. So this issue here has got the subscription offer in it. It's also got an interview with Louise. This is issue 96 of Knit Now. It's on sale Thursday the 29th of November. And the following issue, issue 97, will have some more information about the KAL and some information about swatching and getting started and finding a yarn and things like that. And then the first part will be in issue 98 and it will run for the year. So when you subscribe, you will not only get all of the yarn you need, which is King Cole Big Value DK, which is really lovely and soft, good sort of workhorse yarn. It's 100% acrylic, DK, and it comes in all these lovely shades of lots of cream, so the majority of the blanket is cream, and then it has a lovely charcoal edge, but then all of these pops of colour in it. So, show you a little teaser of the blanket here. As you can see, it's a good size, and you will knit one square every issue. And what's really special about this knit along is that Louise will, along with the patterns, give you a journal prompt every month to go along with the pattern. So this is the Reflection KAL blanket. If you want to knit it and if you want to get the yarn for free, then subscribe to Knit Now today. We'll leave all the links for you, and we look forward to seeing you soon as a subscriber.